Hi everyone, my name is Malcolm Tassah. I'm a computer science major at Minnesota State University in Mankato, and one cool thing that I've built is a password manager application. It helped generate passwords and securely store them so that nobody else could come in and steal the passwords that you saved for various accounts that you've made. I was specifically in charge of the security part, so making sure no one could see those passwords and that you could securely retrieve them. Now, this lesson will be for the ages of 11 to 13, and I'll be talking about Python, the language that's used in apps, games, and even cybersecurity. Now, for Python, you don't have to be good at math. You just have to be good at giving instructions. Now, Python is how we talk to computers. Computers are fast, but they're not very smart. They only do exactly what we tell them to do. First, let's make it talk. I want you guys to type and run print hello. This will tell the computer to say something. Anything inside the quotes is what the computer says aloud. If this were a computer, what would you make it say? You could type anything within the quotes. Your favorite song, maybe your favorite movie, literally anything. Nice. Now let's give the computer our first instruction. Now, the computer can remember things. If you wanted the computer to remember your name was Alex, how you would do that is you would type name equals quotes Alex. Then you would print name. Now, this is like you're teaching the computer to remember something. It's like putting a sticky note onto the computer's brain. Also, it's important that you know in this example, equals does not mean the same thing as it does in math. It means store this rather than name equals Alex. And by that, what I mean is name is kind of like a box, and then the name you put into the box, that's what the computer will display. Hope that analogy made sense. Anytime we use name again, the computer remembers what we told it as our name. Now, let's make the computer make a decision. First type age equals, and then put in however old you are. I'm 21, so I'll put in 21. Remember, this is how we let the computer remember every time we want to retrieve age, it's going to give us 21 or however old you are. Now, now we'll type in if age is greater or equal to 10, print welcome to the game. Else prints come again when older. Now what this does is it lets the computer make a decision based on the input that we gave it. So in this example, since my age is 21, 21 is greater than 10. So it welcomes us into the game. Now, if we were to put an age that was less than 10, like let's say 9, it would print come again when older. It retrieves that age that we gave the computer to remember, and it makes a decision based off of that information. Now, if and else are their keywords. So it's like specific keys that Python recognizes and executes the appropriate code. In my password manager app, the computer does the same thing. If your password is correct, it lets you in. Else, it denies you access. It's a different app, but the same type of logic and understanding. So today, you were taught how to make a computer talk, remember things, and make decisions. You can use this in making little fun games for yourself using if and else statements and even go beyond that. If you can explain rules clearly, you can code. That'll conclude my teaching demonstration for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for having me. Goodbye.